Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a quote on Vrbo. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in vrbo.com and press enter. Now just log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top section and then using your email address and password. Now once you log into your account, you can browse through various properties that are available and then click on any that you are interested on. You can either book the property immediately or you can click on the contact host option. Once you click on this, you can fill up a form with your check-in and your checkout dates and your number of travelers. Then just enter your contact information and type in your message that you want to quote directly to the owners. After typing in your message, you can simply click on the send message button and your quote will be sent to the owners of the selected property on Vrbo. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send a quote on Vrbo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.